Friday Workshop!
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop's many things, Billy Things, where we're doing the workshop.
What are we doing this week?
This week we're doing 5 more woodworking tips.
5 more woodworking tips brought to you
by Friday Workshop. For accurate and straight drills, use a drill press. It's really steady, it's really accurate, and it's done really well when used effectively.
What we have here is the Rockler router table. We love this thing. We got a Bosch router underneath it, and it's kicking butt. And you know what it does? Is it gives us really accurate and, more importantly, safe cuts. These feather boards are amazing. This block is amazing. The dust protection on here is great. We can add more feather boards on the front piece as well. Yeah, I can't say enough about router tables. They're much, much safer, and routers just scare the heck out of me.
Using a backing piece is really useful, because then you don't get dents in the actual wood you're using.
If you want consistent and accurate layout lines, a marking gauge is the way to go. It'll just get consistent lines. They're going to be accurate every single time. We love a marking gauge. We have a whole video on using a marking gauge.
Using a shellac coat first before you put on your stain is really useful. So what it helps is make sure that it doesn't get all splotchy and get all bad. That's what shellac is good for. Friday Workshop!
And that's 5 more.
More.
We've done a ton of these videos.
Yeah.
Check out all these ones.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.